Hello guys, how to fix Chrome error internet disconnected on your Windows 11 and Windows 10, and such type of error message appear. There is no internet connection, unable to connect internet, error internet disconnected. And to fix this issue, the first and initial workaround is go to control panel of your system, and here go to network and sharing center, and here click on your network connected network profile and make sure that you have a established network connection and a perfect network connection. Activity duly sent and received. So check your internet stability first. And after that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to control panel of your system. Open control panel and click on network and settings and internet option. Click on it. And here from the top menu bar, go to connection and here click on LAN settings and make sure that under proxy server, use a proxy server for your LAN is disabled and automatically detect setting is enabled. Make the check against automatically detect setting and uncheck proxy server and press OK. After changing LAN settings, check whether your internet connection browser error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, launch control panel of your system and here click on Windows Defender Firewall, and from the left side click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on it and turn off Windows Defender Firewall for a while under private network as well as public network. Turn off Windows Defender Firewall for public network and private network as well, and click OK and check whether your error is resolved or not. If resolved, then again turn on Windows Defender Firewall under private network and public network both, and check whether your network error disconnected resolved error network disconnected resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Launch your Google Chrome browser and here from the left side click on 3 vertical dot and go to settings. Click on settings. Thereafter from the left side click on privacy and security and click on clear browsing data, clear history, cookies, caches and more. Click on it, clear browsing data. Go to advanced tab and make the check against option browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data and cached images and files, and finally click on clear data. This will clear your browser caches, browser history, and helpful in fixing your issues. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key and here go to Windows update and click on check for updates, and if any updates OS update available, then simply download and install it in your system. And check whether your error network disconnected error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute these 4 commands one by one followed by enter key on each times. Network reset, IP configuration release and IP configuration renew. These commands will reset your network connection and helpful to resolve network disconnected error. So one by one execute these 4 commands in command prompt Windows followed by enter key on each times, and after successfully execution of this command, don't forget to restart your system. That's all.